I'm pretty sure you all must have used social media and made a lot of friends there. But have you ever thought about how these numerous networks of friends are managed? We all tend to create folders inside folders in our computer. But have you ever thought about how these nested folders are managed by operating system? If you have ever used Google Maps, do you know how does it find the shortest distance between two locations? Now the question is, how do we solve these complex problems? The answer is data structures. But what are data structures? Data structures are nothing but the special ways of arranging data. Some of the examples of data structures are stack, queue, graph, linked list, tree. Google it for more information. Okay, we understood the basics of data structures, but what makes them so special? Dynamic memory allocation. What is dynamic memory allocation? That means we don't need to specify the amount of memory before the execution of code. The memory will be allocated while the code is running. Okay, this all sounds very cool, but how do I create a dynamic data structure if I want to create one? Well, this is where pointers get into business. Before that, let's try and learn pointer. You might need to pause this video quite a few times, so feel free to do that.
When you initialize x equals 10, variable x with address 1000 has value 10. Now the variable x stores integer value 10. But the pointer is a variable that stores the address of another variable. That means I can create a variable p and store the address of variable x, which is 1000. And that variable will be called pointer. That means currently we have a variable x which has value 10 and address 1000, and pointer p which has value 1000 address of x, and address 1002. Since pointer p has address of x as the value, we say that pointer p points to x. P, gt, x. Remember, pointer will always store memory address and itself will also have an address. Now if you want to fetch the value 10, you can easily do it since x stores the value 10. X equals 10. But with the help of pointer, you can access 10 without even knowing the identifier x, since p points to x. And that was pointer 101.
Okay, we understood the pointers. Now how do I create a data structure? Remember, every data structure has different construction, but the basic agenda remains the same.
First, we create a pointer that points to first node. Node is basically the free memory in which we store value in, and another pointer. With a special function called malloc, we create a node. We initialize pointer p to the address of first node. Again, we create node and store its address in the previous node as many times as we want, resulting in a chain-like structure. This is exactly what we call dynamic memory allocation. With the help of pointer p, we are able to iterate over this chain.
And that's how pointers help in solving real-life problems with the help of dynamic memory allocation. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.